big rock bubbles of history. Alexander the Great versus Genghis Khan. Begin!
Okay, they call me the Great because I conquered all of Persia. Hey, is your name Persepolis? Cause I'm about to burn the greatest conqueror of all time. I went undefeated. Get ready for this L, cause this battle's getting heated. Sit down, I'm the king, straight out of Macedonia. I'm the man on the streets, from Egypt to Babylonia. You threw limbs over walls to spread the Black Death, but today it will be you who will take their last breath.
The Great, you're a disgrace. I'll show you a real warrior. My techniques were efficient and my battling was gorier. I travel hundreds of miles. When I pass cities I ravage. I'll admit I spread the plague, cause I'm just that savage. You stand no chance cause I've been the greatest since my birth. Come back here when you've conquered nearly the entire earth. Your pathetic little conquest covered fractions of mine, and my ladies came in thousands. Take a number, wait in line.
This is all you got? The great Genghis Khan? When it comes to being a success, leave it to your grandson. Kublai was running China in the dynasty of Yuan. Still think you're the greatest Mongol? Man, what are you on? The great's in my name. You're just a little nomad coward. Killed the people in my way. Now I'm the one who has the power. In the Corinthian League, I can do what I want. Can't believe you thought you'd beat me. Guess what, you Genghis Khan?
I united all the tribes and made the largest empire that history's ever seen, so take notes and aspire to be half of what I am, but I know that will not happen after taking a beat down from these bars I've been rapping. My boys ran the Silk Roads, had control of the trade. How come your great success was so quick to fade? I rule over countless lands, they continue to expand. Just handed you your first defeat, Alexandra.
Who won? Who's next? You decide. Epic Rumble is history.